Yep, it's that time. It's time for another keyboard video. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Havoc. As I said in the intro, it's time for another keyboard video. Today we have the G515 Lightspeed Tkl from our friends at Logitech G. Think of it as the G915's little brother. Let's get to unboxing this and see what it's all about. So I've been waiting a while for something to come out that was similar to the 915, but small, had light speed functionality, and had something that could do maybe multiple connections. And what I mean by that is some of the Logitech G products you might have seen lately have these buttons up here on this keyboard where we can connect either over the USB dongle, Bluetooth, or plugged in. And what's really cool about this keyboard is it can share a USB dongle with some of the Logitech mice. It's the Logitech, 2-to-1 Lightspeed technology. So I'm really excited to see that with this model because you run out of USB ports on your computer sometimes. So here is the front of the box, your standard, Logitech G box. This one is the tactile keys, Lightspeed technology, and light sync. The top, Logitech logo. On the side here, just a side profile of the keyboard. Some info there. And then G515 Lightspeed Tkl on that side. On the back, it showcases some of the stuff here about the keyboard. Low profile, mechanical switches, key control. So we can do per key control. And we set that all up in the Logitech G Hub. So you could set some things like maybe you want the backslash button to also control volume or something like that. So you can set that up in the Logitech G Hub software. So we have the Lightspeed technology. As I said earlier, this one can do 3 different ways. So you can connect wirelessly to the USB dongle, you can do Bluetooth, or you can plug it in. And then light sync. This says we can get up to 36 hours on a single charge. I'm liking that. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now the G915, which is my everyday go-to keyboard, still has the micro USB. So fingers crossed, I don't see why it wouldn't, but I sure as heck hope this has USB-C. So here it just talks about what order you should do things. Here we have, key control, light sync, light speed 2-to-1. We'll do that through a G Hub. That's where you can download G Hub. Pull the keyboard out, and we're going to put the keyboard aside for right now. Let's see what else we got in the box. We just have some paperwork. And then under here, there's nothing under the bottom there. Inside this spot right here, looks like it's a cable. And survey says it is a USB-C cable. Yay! So thank you for going USB-C. We do appreciate that. So we have a USB-A to USB-C. And then if you need like some sort of extension, we also have an adapter here where we can go USB-C to USB-A as well, if you need that. Let's go ahead and put this back in the box. We'll fold the box back up. And if you noticed, in the box there was no USB dongle. It was just the cable and an adapter to convert USB-C to USB-A. I'm guessing because of something Logitech has been doing recently, the dongle should be with the keyboard. So here we have the keyboard. It comes in the fancy Logitech G wrapping paper, tissue paper, whatever we're calling it. And then as you can see, like I said, there it is right there. The G515 Tkl USB dongle. Now the great thing is they've also started labeling what the dongles are. It used to be, what does this go to? I have no idea. So it's awesome to see there. And I like how it just slides right in there. We'll pop this up. Ooh, that's looking good. That looks really nice. Let's get the paper out of the way. Our keyboard. Obviously we have the white keyboard here. Up here we have the button that will make it do the wireless or the USB dongle. Then next to it, we have Bluetooth. And then next to that, we have the play button. The play button will disable the Windows button. I believe we can make it do some other stuff as well. This one does not have the scroll wheel for volume, nor the media control keys. What they did instead is, I don't think you're going to be able to see it very well here with the camera, but up here on the function keys underneath it, there are media keys. So for example, the print screen right here, that's volume up. And then the lock key there is volume down. And then the PB key there is mute. So what you would do is you hold down the function button here, and then you would hit either of those buttons to volume up, volume down. And then we also have, this is F9 is play pause, F10 is stop, F11 is back, F12 forward. Let's see what else they have here. It looks like F8 is a key that does brightness control. I'm guessing if we hit that one, it'll change the brightness of the LEDs on the keyboard. And yeah, so this is actually a pretty good setup. It's not too loud. We'll put it up here to the microphone. So I'll just hit the enter key. I'll be quiet. So that's how the tactile keys sound on this. We do have a couple LEDs up here for caps locks and the battery. If we flip it on over, here is where we have our, looks like we have 5 little rubber feet here to keep it from moving around. And then we have different sizes of risers. So we have small risers, and then we have taller risers. And those have rubber grips on the bottom as well. Up here is where we have the USB-C for charging. And then this right here is our power switch. So let's go and power it on. We automatically have a keyboard that has LEDs. So you can see the WASD keys are a different color. It's cycling through some stuff. Let's try the brightness key, see what that does. So we'll hold on function, and then we'll go. Yeah, so you can see it does do a different, so that's pretty dim right now. That's off. That's brightest. So lower, 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 off. So I do like we can turn it off from the keyboard. We don't have to go into the software to do it. So that's really nice. On this side, we have the Logitech G logo, and then it just says G515. Over here on this side, nothing, and then nothing here on the bottom. This is a really nice keyboard. I like how it's really thin. It feels really well built. Let me turn it off so I don't push a bunch of buttons. It doesn't flex really when I'm trying to kind of rotate it. It has a really nice feel. I like the way the keys feel to it. I could see this going into my backpack for travel. One thing it is missing that maybe the higher level of the Logitech G keyboards have is a carrying case. So lately they've been coming out with keyboards, especially in the esports category, that have a case. Obviously this is not an esports specific keyboard, but this is a great keyboard just for like an everyday driver on your desk, or if, let's say, maybe you have a stream PC, you're in a 2 PC streaming setup, and you need a keyboard for your stream PC, this is a great option for that. The pricing I feel is really affordable. It's $140 at release. Pretty dang good price for a really nice Logitech G keyboard. And there you have it. That's the Logitech G G515 Lightspeed Tkl keyboard. Now that was just a walkthrough unboxing. If there's anything specific you'd like to know about the keyboard, let me know down in the comments below. I can do a video later on the software side of it if you're interested. I want to thank my partners over at Logitech G for sending this keyboard along for me to showcase for you all today. And until next time, stay safe, have fun, and keep doing good.